we have plant mail. Alright guys, so I was not planning to film this right now. I just finished filming another video, so like my table here is a mess. Oh, I didn't even do an intro. You guys, that is where my head is at right now. I need to have a sip of this coffee. Hold on. Oh my god, that tasted good. Alright guys, hey guys, my name is Noah. Welcome back to my channel. But if you are new here, then welcome to my channel. I hope you stick around, hope you subscribe, I hope you like and comment and do all of the things. With that all out of the way, let's get into the video. I placed a plant order on Etsy, which I really felt like I had to do because here in Houston, Texas, I feel like all the stores, the nurseries, the big box stores, all of that, they have not had any good plants. And by good plants, like they haven't even had common plants. Like I can't even find a pothos anywhere. Like I don't know what's up with it. My theory is that it just has to do with the Texas freeze and maybe a lot of their plants died and they have to import a bunch of stuff. Who knows? I don't know. So since that's happened, I decided to place an online order and I'm probably gonna be placing some more. This is just the first of probably many, but I ordered from this cute little Etsy shop. It's actually called Angel Houseplants and I'll leave everything linked down below. I'm really excited because I did get one wish list plant. Lately, what I've been really into is getting cuttings. So not necessarily paying hundreds of dollars for a full-size plant. I've just been paying for a cutting. And I've been doing that a lot lately, as well as selling cuttings on my plant shop. It's just so much easier to ship and just know that you're gonna get like a good like plant in the mail, you know? So that's what I've been into lately. Hopefully you guys don't mind some cuttings. Oh, this is really cute. So she printed like my order and then she's got like this. I love this. It's so like good, eco-friendly, all that. Oh, it's pink. I love pink. Like I was saying, I got one wish list plant and then I got two more just because they were so affordable on her shop. I actually had two more plants in my cart, but by the time I actually placed the order, they had sold out. So oh, I was so bummed about that, but whatever. I'm happy with what I got. Oh, there's something in a pot. I thought I just got cuttings. Oh, everything's in here. I'm so confused. Okay, everything's in this pot, so let's see. It's so funny to see how everybody pots things up and ships them. Oh, because she uses sphagnum moss. I never use sphagnum moss. I just water propagate really. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, so the first thing that I can grab. So this is a Hoya bilobata, which looks like it has new growth. I will show you guys close-ups, but it's not rooted at all, so it's literally just a cutting. So she gave sphagnum moss, which I'm assuming that's probably how she roots. For Hoyas, I think that that's great, so maybe I'll try it this time, but I'm a little nervous. But this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's a Hoya bilobata. It actually has a ton of leaves. It's got, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8 leaves with, it looks like 4 more growing. So I'm excited about this. I don't know if I'm ready to like propagate in sphagnum moss. I feel like I'm gonna mess it up. And then I got a Hoya curtisii, which, wow, she gave me a pretty long cutting, I feel like. It's got like 2 vines on it. And I really like the Hoya curtisii because it's so small and cute. And I've seen people have like super full pots. So I'm actually really excited. This and the bilobata look super, super healthy. Like there is nothing wrong with these cuttings. They survived shipping, they survived everything. All right, now we got the brandy. Wow, this kind of grows like the micans. All right, so the leaves are super floppy. At least this top one is. It doesn't, maybe it's a new leaf, but you know what? I kind of feel like I want to stick this in water. But this is what the brandy looks like. So this is why I placed the order. I've been wanting this plant so bad. I just think the silver on the leaves is so beautiful and I finally have one. I'm just debating, yeah, I think this is a new leaf. It's super floppy. Just debating what to propagate these in. I've been wanting to try perlite propagation. I'm gonna do water, you guys. Let me go get a jar of water. All right, so I got some vessels here. I got this one that I just got at Dollar Tree literally the other day. I really like the shape of it. I don't know if it's gonna work for these plants, but let's see. And this is like a wee yogurt container. These are like the perfect size, I feel like, for most propagations. So there, so I'm gonna do it like that. And then I think they'll all fit in here actually. This one, I'm gonna go like this. And then, yeah, that's perfect. All right, so here are my little propagations. I know water propagation is like probably not the best for these Hoyas right here, just because I know most people do sphagnum, perlite, orchid bark. They do all different types of things. I've just really only had great experience with water propagation. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hope the best for these. They actually all look amazing, so I'm very happy with this seller. I want to have full pots of these guys. So I finally have a philodendron brandy, I have a Hoya bilobata, I have a Hoya curtisii. Like, I am just out here expanding my collection, and I'm so proud of myself because I just feel like I keep looking for things in person and I'm not finding anything, so I'm glad that I finally took the plunge and ordered on Etsy. I also love supporting small businesses like myself. I love when people support me, so you know, I gotta support others. So happy with these plants. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little haul. I am going to get to my coffee and finish that because it is much needed. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I post new videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I also have a lot of fun content coming out, so you definitely don't want to miss out. And if you guys want to see updates on these babies, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Rozay, and that way you'll be updated because trust me, I'm going to be posting photos of these guys. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Maybe it'll be another plant haul. I don't know. We'll see. Bye, guys.